Hey everyone, Bob here. Our lesson for today is using formatting and functions in Excel and applying formatting to numbers. Okay, in this lesson, you will learn to apply Excel's built-in formats to numbers. Create your own numerical formats and create formats that will only apply when a specified condition exists. In this course, you will learn Excel techniques by creating and editing worksheets for a fictional business called Bobstore purchase report for 2022. Okay. So the worksheet shown on this page lists shops purchases from the shares for the year 2022. So let's use this worksheet to learn techniques for formatting numbers. Now let's add formatting to the numbers in this worksheet. Begin with the columns that represent currency values. You will want these values to display with an appropriate currency symbol like the dollar sign, and two decimal places. Start by selecting cells B3 to B10. Okay. So you can click B3 and then shift click B10. This one here. Then shift click B10. Then you can select a second group of cells by pressing the control key. Just click the control key. Then click D3 here, D3. Okay. Then shift plus click E10. E10 right here. Okay. Then control click G3 because we're gonna include this one. And then uh, shift plus click H10 all the way up to H10 rather. Okay. So, okay. Now open the format cells dialog box using the ribbon. Here's the ribbon. Then here's the format icon or okay button rather. Then click format cells right here. Okay. And then, okay, there are actually uh, six tabs in the format cells dialog box, number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. Okay, we're gonna use this tab. You just click this tab, number. Okay, then the number tab offers 12 categories. This one, general number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, all the way to custom. So there are 12 categories by which numbers can be formatted. Then click its category, as I've done, and then just click currency. We're gonna need this currency. Okay. So the currency category allows you to select the type of currency symbol and the number of decimal places that display, and also provides a number of options for the formatting of negative numbers. Okay, like this one, negative numbers. Okay. And then default settings is specify a dollar sign and two decimal places. So we'll just accept this. Here are the two decimal places and the dollar sign right here. Okay. Then just click OK button. Just click OK. Okay. Then click H3 here to view everything, to view all. So see the dollar sign here, and it's already with two decimal places, or the price level one, cost one, price level two, and cost two, and total cost. Now let's create a format for the columns that contains the number of units purchased for each product. Because Excel does not offer a built-in format for units, because what we're going to write here is units after the numbers. So you can create a format yourself using custom formatting. So to create a custom format for the units, columns. First select these columns. C3, this one with units, this one and this one. Okay, then click C3. And then shift plus click C10 right here. And then control on your keyboard. Okay, the control on your keyboard. Then click F3, this one, and F10. Shift plus click F10. Okay. Okay. So the format cells dialog box allows you to create your own custom formats. So you access the shortcut menu for selected cells by right-clicking the cells. Before we click this format here in the ribbon, now we're going to do a shortcut, and we'll just right-click the C3 right here. Okay. Then click format cells. Where is it? Here, right here. Format cells. Okay, that's do how you shortcut in opening the dialog box of format cells. Then you click custom right here. Okay. So each option under type is a starting point to design a custom format. When you select an option, symbols that represent formatting elements display in the type text box where you can edit and add to them. Zeros at the end of numbers indicate decimal places. Number signs with commas indicate that numbers with 4 digits or more will display with commas. And semicolons indicate formatting for negative numbers. So you can actually scroll down to review more options here. Zeros with percentage signs indicate formats for percentages, and formats with the letter E, this one, E here, display using scientific notation. The question mark and slash symbols display functional values as fractions rather than as decimals. And now you scroll one more time here, right here. Here are some formats for displaying dates and times. Okay, this one, dates and times. For the units column, select a basic format that will display numbers as integers with no decimal values. Okay, just click the click the or double click rather the type text box currently containing general, this one. Okay, then type 0 right there. Okay, so to create a custom format for the units, okay, because we're gonna be putting additional the text units with the quotation mark, unit columns and the unit columns. So let's add the word units to display after every data element. To add text to a custom format, place the insertion point to the right of the last entry in the type text box and add the text within, of course, within the quotation marks. Okay. So just press this space bar to give one space, then type quotation mark units, and then another quotation mark. Okay. So here's the worksheet with your okay, let's press okay first. Yeah. So just click H3 here to view the columns with units now, okay? Like this one, units 1, 20 units, 25 units, etc. And units 2, 4 units, 5 units, etc. So here's the worksheet with your custom format. When you create a custom format, it is added to the end of the custom category type list, so you can apply the format to the other cells in the current worksheet or to a different worksheet. So actually, So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna apply the new custom format to the 2021 purchase report for Bob Store. Just click the other sheet right here in the bottom tab, 2021, right here. Okay. So we already told you that it's already what you call saved in the format cells, the units that we just created. Okay. So highlight the units column using the shift plus click and control click methods. That's like what we did earlier. So click C3 again, C3, this one with units. Okay. Then click shift click send C10. Okay. Then control plus click F3, the other units column, this one. And then shift plus click F10. Okay. And then we go back to the format cells, as I told you earlier. Okay. So custom formats are added to the end of the custom categories type list. Okay, so let's view the end of the list to find the custom format you just created. Okay, just click general, all right, rather custom. Then click general. Sorry, I let's do it again. Click custom, then click general. Okay, already click. Then you just press the end. Yeah, there. You see the zero, then the text units are already highlighted. So just double click 0 units. No need to press OK. Just double click. There you have it. It's already also applied. Okay. That's how you, let's go back to the original worksheet. Okay. That's how you format the numbers, the currency, and the custom format, putting in units with the numbers on the units column. That's how you do it. So next time I'm gonna be doing applying conditional format in our next lesson. So if you like this lesson, if you do like this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all upcoming new uploads of my videos. Okay. So thank you for watching.